Alright, so as promised guys, we have a new sound test for today, and we have a popular $20 to $30 IEMs. We have the Salnotes 0, the latest maybe recommendation here in the channel. We have the Moondrop Chu, unheard of before, in the $20 range. Of course, we have the popular ones, the CRNs, ZSN Pro X's, and yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Of course, if you want to get either of these, use my links down in the description below. It will help out the channel a lot. And let us start the sound test now.
To say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you, I get attention. Don't turn me into what I'm not. I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No. And I ain't never gonna stop.